we are here at the most decorated and the pride of Bangi when it comes to printing services. We are here at MVS Print House. We have here Ma'am Maria Teresa Valdez, the owner of MVS Print House. Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Julius
sir.
po. Yan. So, ma'am, what does MVS stands for?
MVS stands for Makers of Visual Solution.
Yan. So, when, where, and how did MVS started, ma'am?
MVS before was called MVS Printing. We started 2013.
2010.
The name was changed later at 2018 and changed it to MVS Print House. Yes, sir. Tapos, our first branch was in our house in Ambaka, and then we moved here a year ago.
So this building, ma'am, is owned by MVS.
Yes.
What was your inspiration in having MVS printing before and now MVS Print House?
Our inspiration, syempre yung family namin, tapos yung mga empleyado namin. Pag nakikita mo kasi silang lumalaki, mas parang gusto mo na yung tulungan yung mga family nila. And of course, our customers na nagtitiwala sa amin.
That's right. So, ano po yung mga services na in-offer ni MVS para sa ating mga viewers?
Of course, we have our new products. This is our acrylic LED lighted signage. And also, we have the new one, the build-up signage. Yan, sir. Gumagawa kami yan. And then, we have also this one. This is the wooden acrylic keychains. Yes, sir. Tapos, and of course, we started our business, souvenir shirts. We cater souvenirs from all over the Ilocos Norte, most especially in Pagudpud, Bangi, and Burgos. Yes, sir. Tapos, souvenir shirts, t-shirt printing, tapos jersey, tapos uniform, sir, polo shirts, and then tarpaulin printing and everything na ng souvenirs cater namin, sir. Tapos we also make mga maps, yung printing services, cater ng MVS Print House.
Oh. So, ano yung sikreto niyo, ma'am? Tatanungin ko na, ano yung sikreto niyo?
Siguro, hard work talaga, hard work. Tapos teamwork.
Oh, teamwork. Ayan. Yan ang sikreto ng MVS. So, aside from itong pinaka-main branch niyo, ma'am, how many branches do you have?
We have 5 branches all over the Philippines. Starting in Manila.
Okay.
And then sa Candon.
Canton.
And then sa Lawag. And then sa Sanchez Mira. And the upcoming, we are planning to open also in Luna, Cagayan.
Luna, Apayao.
Yes.
Oh, Luna, Apayao. Okay, and then, aside from Luna, Apayao, are you planning to add more sa other places? Like,
Hopefully, sir, hopefully. Kasi yun ang target ni MVS Print House, yung magkaroon ng physical branches para mas malapit yung yung pupuntahan na lang ng customers. Para kung yung mga gusto nilang makita yung mismong products ng MVS Print House, yan, sir, mas ma-appreciate nila yung products ng
correct.
Mag-include namin siya sa North Luzon, sir. And then we're going there.
Okay. So, any advice, ma'am? Kasi you are one of the most successful dito sa printing
thank you.
industry. So, any advice dun sa mga tao na gustong journey or magkaroon ng endeavor din o sa business na to na tulad ninyo?
Marami talaga nag-open ng ang sinasabi namin ng asawa ko every time na may nakikita kami nag-open ng business is try nila, subukan nila kasi kung hindi mo naman masasabi na malakas ang t-shirt printing, doon tayo try natin. It's always still a passion. Yung gusto mo talaga yung mo
Yung ginagawa.
Kasi parang dati yung parang nag-click ang souvenir shirts pero time pass by parang nag-close sila. Pero dapat kasi tuloy-tuloy lang dapat may nag-upgrade ka ng nag-upgrade. So try nilang subukan nila yung business and then kung nag-click, tuloy nila kasi maganda ang t-shirt printing.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for your time and
Thank you, sir.
welcome sa channel natin. Salamat, ma'am.
Thank you.
Salamat mga kulot. That's our interview with MBS Print House. Sana may natutunan kayo and sa mga gustong magpa-print ng kahit ano, yan, MVS Print House. Dito lang matatagpuan sa Bangi, Ilocos Norte. They also have one in Manila, Candon, and then we have Lawag, as well as in Sanchez Mira. Salamat mga kulot! See you sa next video.